May 1, 2026. A silent disaster is building in Burkina Faso. Over 1 million cubic meters of polluted water sits inside aging dams, while an entire capital city runs short of clean drinking water every single day. So the government makes a move most countries delay for decades. They launch a nationwide dam operation, immediately. In April 2026, under the leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traoré, Burkina Faso launches a massive national operation, a 100 dam drilling campaign. The mission is clear: restore water capacity, prevent disaster, secure the future. At dam number 2 in Tangan, the numbers are shocking. Over 1 million cubic meters of water. That is the equivalent of 90,000 trucks. All sitting in aging infrastructure built over 60 years ago. Now imagine what happens when the rainy season arrives. Here is the real danger. When sediment builds up inside a dam, it reduces its capacity. That means less room for incoming rainwater. So when heavy rains arrive, the overflow risk increases dramatically. And in dense urban areas like Ouagadougou, that can turn into flooding within hours. The decision taken in April 2026 was not random. It was calculated. A combination of aging infrastructure, environmental damage, and rising demand forced action. And this time, the approach was different. Not patchwork repairs. A coordinated national strategy. This crisis did not happen overnight. Decades of neglect played a role. But there is another factor. Human activity. Wastewater dumped into canals. Agricultural chemicals leaking into reservoirs. Slowly, silently, the system collapsed. The Lonia pumping station once supplied water to Ouagadougou. But by early 2026, it becomes unusable. The water quality is too poor. This forces the city to depend heavily on Ziga and Lumbala dams. And still, it is not enough. Ouagadougou faces a daily deficit of 57,000 cubic meters of drinking water. Let that sink in. Every single day, demand exceeds supply. And with rising temperatures, the pressure only grows. And there is another layer to this crisis. Climate pressure. In recent years, rainfall patterns across the Sahel region have become unpredictable. Long dry periods followed by intense storms. This creates a dangerous cycle. Too little water, then too much, too fast. Water shortages are not just about thirst. They affect everything. Food production slows down. Prices rise. Small businesses struggle. Hospitals face pressure. Water is not just survival. It is the backbone of an entire economy. The government responds fast. An emergency plan worth over 16 billion CFA francs is deployed. The goal is simple. Minimize suffering during the hottest months of 2026. But emergency aid is not enough. The real plan is deeper. Restore Dam 1, Dam 2, Dam 3, and Bulmiogu. Make them usable again. Not just for storage, but for drinking water. So why 100 dams? Because the issue is not isolated. Across Burkina Faso, many reservoirs suffer from the same problem. Sediment buildup. Reduced capacity. Pollution. This campaign is not just fixing one city. It is resetting an entire national water system. National companies step in. Sonater. ONBA. Working day and night. Their mission is massive. Remove 600,000 cubic meters of sediment in just 3 weeks. But progress comes with consequences. For decades, families farmed inside the dam basin. As water levels dropped, they moved in. Now they must move out. The government takes action. 100 hectares of land is allocated. Farmers are relocated. This time, with access to groundwater. Production is no longer seasonal. It becomes year-round. Support goes further. Fertilizers. Organic manure. Solar-powered irrigation pumps. Even psychosocial assistance. This is not just relocation. It is reconstruction. The introduction of dredging technology changes everything. In the past, cleaning a dam required draining it completely. Now, specialized equipment can operate underwater, removing sediment without shutting down the system. This is how long-term maintenance becomes possible. This is not just about dams. This is about control. Control of water. Control of resources. Control of the future. Across Africa, water management is becoming one of the defining challenges of this decade. Urban growth is accelerating. Climate patterns are shifting. And infrastructure must catch up. What is happening in Burkina Faso may soon become a model. Or a warning. In 2026, Burkina Faso made a choice. To confront a crisis head-on. To fix what was ignored for decades. And to build a system that serves its people. The question is simple. Will it work? Or is this just the beginning of a bigger battle? For more than 60 years, Burkina Faso was tied into a system that promised development, but delivered dependency. French influence was everywhere. Military presence. Economic ties. Political pressure. And yet, look at the results. Dams left to age without proper maintenance. Water systems collapsing under pressure. A capital city facing shortages in 2026. So let's stop pretending this was progress. Because real development leaves evidence. Functioning infrastructure. Reliable systems. And most of all, self-sufficiency. May 2026, decisions are happening inside the country. And they are happening fast. Is everything fixed? Not yet. Is the system perfect? Not yet. But here is the difference. There is movement. There is urgency. There is ownership. And that changes everything. Because when a nation takes control of its resources, its infrastructure, and its priorities, it stops waiting to be developed and starts developing itself. Now the real question is not about the past. It is about the future. Can this momentum be sustained? Or will the same forces that slowed progress before find a way back in? What are your thoughts so far on today's video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting developments in Africa.